Ooh, it's here, yes! Jack, my man, you're not gonna believe this. Yeah, no, Penelope told Susan. No, on the other side, mate.
Add new device. Airtouch secure. Smart station added.
Absolutely not, mate. Nothing gets by me. If that happened, I wouldn't notice, no. Ask the guys.
Done. Setup complete.
See you then, mate. Did you? How did you?